Hey guys, this video's on this Craftsman V20 lithium-ion 13-inch Weedwacker and leaf blower combo, battery powered. Let's check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Alright, the battery and charger's down in there. Right, here's what you get with this thing. So you got your Weedwacker leaf blower, handle for the Weedwacker, and a battery and charger, and then the guard for the Weedwacker too. One nice thing about staying with Craftsman is I already have another battery, so I can kind of swap them out. But I'm gonna go get this one on the charger and then give these ones a test. And so it'd be nice if they, I know they're trying to keep the cost down. It'd be nice if they had two batteries that came along with these, but oh well. Yeah, so this was 140 bucks after tax for both of these at Lowe's. That charged till that's solid green. All right, here's the battery that's out of the box. It's been on here for a couple hours, so I anticipate it should be done pretty soon, but I'm gonna use my old battery. Here's the old one. It's actually pretty new, but the one that didn't come with the kit. But you can see that green light was going, so it's ready to go. Okay, here's the end. Comes with the line already coming out of it. Looks like we just got one hole. Okay, so this is just a single. Sometimes that's easier as far as relining these things. So I'm going to put this down like that, and then go ahead and attach the guard. And this guard just slips down into the crevice right there. But you need to remove this because it's going to slip under there, and then we'll. Alright, it's going to be something like that. Go ahead and remove this. Slides right down in there. Okay, now what happens is, see, we just pop it down till that hole lines up with that there. And that just goes right down in there. Okay, now our guard's installed. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and shoot for the handle here. It's going to go up and around there. See those in there? That matches that right there. So squeeze that together and pop that baby on. It's gonna take two hands. Okay, I kind of got it so you can see. You can see I've pushed both of those in and then just push the handle on over it. So I'm gonna try and work it, baby. There we go. Okay, that's it. Snapped into place there. Okay, now the nice thing about this too is it's adjustable. So you can adjust this piece right here, will go in and out. And so it's at its full extension right now. But if you want to shorten it up, which is nice, it could be good for shorter people too, you know, taller, shorter. And then so this just comes all the way in if you're a shorter person. Or, you know, you might have some different angles you want to hit and don't want it sticking way out. Or let's pull it out, tighten it back up. All right, now we're ready to rock and roll. One of the nice things this has on it has a high and a low, and then also it has a trigger safety, so the trigger won't depress until you push on that. Now we'll go all the way up. And now we're charged to the battery. Just slides right on there. There we go. Kind of show you right here. Okay, pushing that in. I got it on low. Pushing that in. this up. I'm gonna go like that. This is to kind of keep a certain depth. If you wanna do some edging like this, you know, or stay a certain distance away from something that, you know, let's say you're gonna be edging right around that. It'll keep you from slashing it. So go ahead and leave it up myself. Okay, let's test it out on some weeds here. So it's in low mode right now. Push that in, pull the trigger, put it in high. Hey, this thing's friendly for either right or left-handed people, by the way. Try this with one hand so I can film it. Works like a charm. All right, guys, let's check out the leaf blower now. Baby's good. I like it. Cheaper than the gas-powered ones too. So we'll see how long it can last. Put it to the test. All right, I think this leaf blower is going to be super easy. I don't see no assembly. I'm sliding the battery right on there. I don't see any assembly. So I think that's to hang it up if you want to. Just guessing though. Let's try it out. Battery's fully charged. Nice to have because it's actually really quiet too. Nice to have for a lot of reasons, but after we're done weed whacking, turn off the driveway. All right, both of them are set up, ready to go. Easy, super quick. All right, hey, I want to thank you all for tuning into my channel, and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Helps me out, helps me keep this channel going, doing what I like. All right, time for me to get to work. Thanks for watching. Well, I had a feeling that the battery wouldn't last that long, but I thought it would last longer than it did. So that was a fully charged battery, and it lasted maybe 15 minutes. So it's kind of a drawback. No big deal because I got another battery there. I'll go slap this one on the charger. But yeah, put it to the test on high. It was on high for the whole time. So yeah, definitely gonna want to keep another battery if you pick one of these up.